Hey, I'm out here at the cat box. It's been a little bit since I made that first video. It's in the evening. It's after 6 o'clock. Anyhow, here's what I did. Check this out. Use some staples right here. Spread these out. Got to clip off some of these bad leaves here. Oh shoot! Did you see what I just did? Yep. That's what I decided I didn't want to do. I'll be right back. All right. Duct tape to the rescue. I don't know. Oh well. Should I still have these? God damn. Messed up eyes. Oh well, you saw it here. Hey, there's the Caribbean Dream looking good. And this one, the American Gangster here is suffering a bit. I'm not sure why with these plants, but look at that. Yeah, we'll see here. Let me tighten that up a bit. This gives new meaning to supercropping. It's staying up there. Chances are pretty good that that's not going to make it. Hey, check this trifoliate out. 3-leafer. This is a Dream Rider. So there you have it, the cat box. The old man. Let's put this up here so it just kind of gives a little bit of there. I haven't messed up this. I'm going to pull these down. Should break these. All right, there you go. Have a good one. It's going to be 100 in about 3 days. It was 90 degrees out here today. I don't know what the temperature is right now. It's 80 something. All right, have a good day. Later.